Hi and welcome to our channel. Today I'm standing next to my 1998 CLK320 at my parents' house. I have a few requests from our viewer about how to remove the cup holder and also the cover. So today I'm gonna show my viewer how to remove it. So the cup holder is inside this cover right here. Okay, let me place the camera down. Or actually hold it like this. Okay, if you could see, there's a notch right here. So what you do, you put your finger in there and rest your palm on the console like this. And then pull up slowly. There. Just like that. And at the bottom of the cup, there's two tabs. Let me see if I could show you that. One right here and one right here, and also there's a plug right here. So down here, I don't know if you can see, there's the tab, the hole for the tab right there, and tab right here, and the hole for the other tab. So to put it back in, you close this. It's hard to do it with one hand, so put it in like this. Here, let me show it. And lined up with the tab down there until you hear a click. You push it down until you hear a click. There. And then you close the cover like that. And there was a viewer asking how to remove the cover. For now, I don't know how to do that yet, so you may search on Google for it. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe and also give it a like. Thank you. Bye.